friends, welcome back to our channel Vehemence of Life, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare tandoori chicken at home in a microwave. And today you are in my kitchen for the first time, and let's get started then.
So these are the ingredients that I will be using during our marination process. So let me explain that to you. I have taken 800 grams of chicken. I have made sure that the chicken pieces are big enough. Then 2 onions, 1 lemon juice, ginger, some cloves of garlic, some green chilies. I have taken 6, 1 bowl of curd, tandoori chicken masala, rock salt, mustard oil, some butter, and the spices like turmeric powder, jeera powder, coriander powder, and red chilli powder. So this red chilli is the Kashmiri red chilli for only color.
I'll first make a paste of all these items, and then I'll put it into marination. So I have created a smooth paste of onion, garlic, chili and ginger. So I'll add all these spices. Add salt as per your taste. I'll add some oil. You can use any kind of oil. And then I will mix them together.
So you have to make sure that the masala is evenly distributed, and if you have less time for marination, you can have small cuts on the chicken so that the masala gets inside. But as I am planning for 2 hours, so I haven't done that.
I have now kept the chicken in the fridge for marination, and I'll wait for 2 hours so that it is well marinated. I would suggest that if you have time, then you can go for more longer hours. But the minimum time required is 1 hour. So guys, instead of 2 hours, I did the marination for the whole 6 hours. So let's start with the grilling process. So with this microwave, I have got a small grill rack, a large grill rack, and this hook. So as this microwave has a rotisserie feature, so it will rotate like this. Okay, and if you are using these grill racks, then you have to turn the chicken after some time so that it gets the heat from both of the sides. So I have chosen these 4 pieces for the first lot. Okay, so what I'll do is I have to grease this rod so that the chicken doesn't get stuck in it. Okay, so for that I will use any kind of edible oil. So grease it properly. Like this. Okay, you can brush this oil on the chicken itself. some butter. So as it slides, you have to put some more grease on it, okay, like this. So this is now ready. Okay, I'll put it in the microwave. Now I'll be using the convection plus Tandoori plus micro mode. At 200 degrees and for 10 minutes. Start. Now the 10 minutes is over and I'm going to take it out with this one. So what I have to do is I have to brush some more butter as the masala is still not dried up, so it needs more heat, okay? Some more time. So for that I have to brush it with some more butter. Okay, so the same mode, but now the temperature is 170 and I will put it for another 10 minutes. So 10 minutes is done and now I am going to take it out from the oven. So nice color has turned out. You have to make sure that you use some gloves or something to protect your hands because these rods are very hot. So the tandoori chicken is ready now. I will add some lemon juice on it. And you can add chaat masala for better taste. Now the tandoori chicken is ready to be served hot. So guys, how did you like this video? If you guys try this out at your home and it turns out to be a really good one, please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for many more such awesome recipes. And stay tuned. Thank you so much.